Hi you guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week we will be making these cute Easter egg cupcakes. It's a chocolate cupcake covered in Oreo crumbs, decorated with buttercream icing, and let's not forget the speckled eggs. They're so delicious, let's get baking. So we're first going to start with the chocolate cupcake. In a large mixing bowl, add your castor sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well. In a separate bowl, we can add our egg, oil, milk, and vanilla. Mix well. Then we can add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined and you have this delicious chocolatey batter. Our secret ingredient is a little bit of hot water. A quick tip, I like to first mix a little bit with a spoon or a rubber spatula just to make sure that all the ingredients don't splatter everywhere. Prepare your baking pan with baking cups and then fill them with the chocolate batter. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Next we'll move on to the buttercream icing. In a large mixing bowl, you can add our room temperature butter and mix until it is light and creamy. Then we're going to add half of our icing sugar and mix well for about 5 minutes. Then we can add the rest of our icing sugar, our milk, and some vanilla. Mix well until all the ingredients are well combined and the icing sugar has started to dissolve. Lastly, we're going to add a little bit of blue food coloring, but it doesn't have to be blue. Easter is all about the pastel colors, so you can choose whichever one you like. To decorate, we're going to pipe a little bit of our buttercream icing and then smooth it over using a palette knife or a spoon. Then we're going to cover our cupcake with some crushed Oreos. Then you can pipe a swirl on top. I decided to use a Wilton to a nozzle tip. To give our cupcake a speckled effect, we are going to make some chocolate paint. So in a bowl, you're going to add a few drops of water and a little bit of cocoa powder. I use my food safe paintbrush to mix, but you can also use a spoon. And then you can literally just splatter the paint all over your cupcake. To finish it off, we're going to add these cute speckled eggs. There you guys have it, my version of an Easter egg cupcake. They're super delicious and so cute, sure to get you in the Easter mood. Happy Easter and have fun baking!